Are you a millennial struggling to manage your finances? Well, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, it can be challenging to stay on top of your budget. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll share some budgeting tips specifically tailored for millennials. First and foremost, it's important to track your expenses. By keeping a record of where your money is going, you'll be able to identify areas where you can cut back and save. Whether it's using a budgeting app or simply keeping a spreadsheet, find a method that works best for you. Next, prioritize your spending. It's easy to get caught up in the latest trends and impulse purchases, but it's crucial to differentiate between wants and needs. Take a step back and ask yourself if that new gadget or trendy outfit is really necessary. By focusing on your needs first, you'll be able to allocate your money more effectively. Another helpful tip is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account each month. This way, you won't even have to think about saving. It will happen automatically. And before you know it, you'll have a nice little nest egg for emergencies or future goals. Lastly, don't be afraid to seek help. There are plenty of resources available to assist you in your budgeting journey. From financial apps to online communities, you can find support and guidance from others who have been in your shoes. So, there you have it, some budgeting tips specifically designed for millennials. Now we want to hear from you. Do you have a budgeting method that's been working well for you? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Together, we can conquer our financial goals and pave the way to a brighter future.